Kremenchuk Wheel Plant is a specialized enterprise in the field of production of cold-formed steel wheels for passenger cars, trucks, trailers, buses, tractors, combine harvesters and agricultural machines. Founded in 1961, the enterprise has gained great technological experience for this period and has built developed industrial infrastructure. In 1994, it was formed into joint stock company. Since 2002, the enterprise is a full member of the Association of European Wheel Manufacturers and of the European Tire and Rim Technical Organization. Kremenchuk Wheel Plant produces more than 500 modifications of wheels, rims and wheel components. Area of production facilities is 111,000 square meters. 3,000 employees work at the enterprise. Project capacity of the factory is 8.3 million of wheels and rims a year, including 5.4 million of wheels for passenger cars. 1,244 units of equipment are in use at the enterprise, and more than 40% of them are specialized equipment. Basic production equipment consists of 58 production lines, including 20 lines to manufacture profiled wheel rims, 11 wheel disc stamping lines, including 2 automated lines, 12 automated and mechanized lines and areas for assembly and welding of wheels, 2 packaging lines, 5 prime coating and painting lines, a painting department for heavy wheels. The community and consumer facilities are highly developed at the enterprise. There are modern social rooms, many cafeterias and canteens. Wheel is a symbol of continuous motion. Passenger cars, buses, trucks, tractors, combine harvesters. In any corner of Europe, on any continent, it is possible to see machinery with the wheels of Kremenchuk Wheel Plant. Kremenchuk Wheel Plant is located in the center of Ukraine, in the town Kremenchuk. Kremenchuk Wheel Plant has more than 45 years experience of production of wheels for cars, buses, trailers and agricultural machines. Closed-loop production cycle and own machine tool building and tool workshops, where the tools and equipment are manufactured, make the enterprise unique. The maintenance and machine tool building workshop carries out service of the factory's equipment, manufacturers' machines, mechanized auxiliaries, non-standard equipment, spare parts and parts. A stamping tool workshop provides the factory with production tools, dies, devices, tools to produce all types of wheels. The workshop is equipped with the modern equipment which allows to carry out 3D machining and to manufacture tools on CNC machines. The technological process of wheel manufacturing includes pretreatment of steel, manufacturing of a rim, manufacturing of a disc, assembly and welding of a wheel, paint coating, packaging, storage and shipping of finished products. Quality control is carried out at every stage of production. Development of a wheel design begins in a special design department of the plant. Workplaces are equipped with modern computers and software, so this allows to carry out development and designing of new types of wheels. The computer-aided manufacturing department carries out designing of solid models of puncheons, dies, rollers and develops programs for CNC machines providing maximal accuracy of manufacturing of tooling, forming rollers, measuring tools. The plant has a central wheel test laboratory, which was accredited by the National Accreditation Agency of Ukraine in accordance with the international standard ISO 17025. The strength and certification tests, such as rotary bending fatigue tests of wheels, as well as dynamic radial load tests and hydrostatic tests, are carried out on testing equipment of the test laboratory. To manufacture wheels, the steel grades E235, E250, E275 and E355 are used. A laboratory carries out analytical and spectral analysis of steel and controls its physical and mechanical parameters, chemical composition and structural properties. The task of the laboratory is also to control the quality of auxiliary materials. One of the guidelines of Kremenchuk Wheel Plant is the production of wheels for passenger cars. The process of wheel manufacturing for passenger cars includes manufacturing of rims and discs, assembly and welding of wheels. On the assembly and welding line, a disc is pressed into a rim, runout is controlled on a measuring equipment, gas-shielded welding, balancing, detection and marking of a heavy place. Taking into account market needs, the factory constantly extends the range of wheels for passenger cars, consisting now of more than 40 types. The manufacture of new wheels is developed for cars Niva Chevrolet, Chevrolet Aveo, Hyundai Accent, for cars family Opel and Daewoo. Wheels for trucks, trailers, buses and trolleybuses are manufactured traditionally from the specially hot-rolled sections. These are wheels with a demountable rim and applying new technology. These are wheels with 15 degrees drop center rims. Wheels with 15 degrees drop center rims allow to use tubeless tires during vehicle operations and to increase safety of wheels during use and service. Floor form discs are manufactured by circular floor forming of steel blanks with a thickness up to 15 mm. Manufacturing process of wheels with 15 degrees drop center rims includes coiling of the strip into a ring, straightening of the ends for welding, continuous flashpad welding, rounding of the welded area, cooling, upsetting, profiling, expansion, reducing, marking and quality control. These are wheel types 6.00 by 17.5 for buses Bogdan, Etalon, 6.75 by 17.5 for trucks and buses Mas, 6.75 by 19.5 for buses Mas, PAS, 8.25 by 22.5 for buses LAS, Liaz, Mas, Volzhanin, Volvo, Scania, trolleybuses UMZ, automobile transporters semi-trailers, 9.00 by 22.5 for trucks MAS, MAN, Daimler-Benz, Volvo, Magirus, semi-trailers, 11.75 by 22.5 for trailers and semi-trailers. Technical capabilities of the enterprise allow to produce wheels with the diameter from 12 to 48 inches and width from 4 to 36 inches, to profile rims for tractors, combine harvesters and agricultural machines from rolled steels with a thickness up to 8.5 mm. Wheels and rims for agricultural machines constitute a considerable part of product range produced by the plant. These are the wheels with stable and variable offset for tractors, trailers and agricultural machines, wheels for combine harvesters, wide-base wheels for agricultural machines, twin wheels for tractors. Manufacturing of heavy wheels for tractors, combine harvesters and agricultural machines is the pride of the factory. The plant produces the wheels for heavy-duty combine harvesters Acros, Victor, Slavutich, Yenisei, John Deere, Claas, Deutz-Fahr, Case, STF, Massey Ferguson, for heavy-duty tractors MTZ, UMZ, Kirovets, New Holland. The manufacturing process of wheel rims for agricultural machines includes cutting of steel into the blanks, pickling or shot blasting of blanks with the thickness of more than 6 mm, coiling into a ring, straightening of the ends for welding, butt welding and deburring, rounding of the welded area, upsetting, profiling of rims in a few stages. The lines are equipped with calibration units on which the shape of the rim is expanded and reduced, and additionally the inside diameter is calibrated. That ensures high accuracy of rims. The rim undergoes knurling of bed seats and cutting of edges, marking and quality control. On disc lines for tractor wheels, the discs are manufactured with a diameter 24, 30, 38 and 42 inches. The lines are fully automated and have the capacity of more than 300 discs per hour. The process of disc manufacturing consists of cutting into the blanks and stamping in 4 operations. On the assembly and welding lines, the disc is pressed into the rim and welded by carbon dioxide shielded arc welding or argon gas mixture welding. Finished passenger car and truck wheels, including the wheels with 15 degrees drop center rims and also wheels for agricultural machines with the rims up to 20 inches wide, are transported to the powder coating department of the enterprise. The specialists of the plant and foreign companies ESTA, Turkey, SAME, France, Mary, Austria have introduced and now successfully apply the technology of painting of wheels with polymeric powder paints in order to ensure high-quality coating. Paint coating of wheels with powder polymeric paints provides high mechanical strength and ensures corrosion resistance. It maintains over 700 hours in the salted fog chamber, providing reliable and long-lasting corrosion resistance of wheels in difficult road conditions. The wheels with the width over 20 inches for tractors, combine harvesters and other agricultural machines are transported to the wet paints painting line. Depending on the requirements of the customers, the wheels can be either prime-coated or top-coated with 2-component polyurethane enamels of different colors. Painting with 2-component polyurethane enamels provides a high corrosion resistance of coating too. The modern technologies of packaging of finished products are applied at the end price to avoid damages of products while shipping to the customers. The packaging lines allow to make deliveries of products to the customers in such condition in which they came off the conveyor, preserving their properties in marketable style. The paint-coated wheels are put on the wooden pallets in a few tires. The prepared packages are tightened with polypropylene baling bands and covered with polyethylene film, which provides complete protection of wheels and their coating while handling and also during transportation and storage, including storage in the open air as well. High quality of products is one of the main guidelines of the enterprise. The wheels for motor vehicles are certified by Ukrsepro, Ukrainian system of certification, and Russian system of certification GOST-R. The major factor of quality assurance of manufactured products is applying a quality management system at the plant in accordance with the requirements of the international standard ISO 9001 version 2000, confirmed by Ukrsepro certificates Ukraine and TÜV Germany. Currently, the enterprise is involved in adoption of quality management system in accordance with the requirements of standard ISO TS 16949 version 2002. The international and national awards serve as proof of significant achievements of Kremenchuk Wheel Plant Joint Stock Company and as evidence of quality of its products. Kremenchuk Wheel Plant has won its first Golden Prize of International Club of Industrialists for the best trade name in 1995 in Madrid. The factory is also awarded with an honorary prize Euromarket and is named as the best stably working enterprise in machine building industry. Participation of the plant in the national competitions, the Golden Trademarks and the 100 Best Goods of Ukraine brought in weighty awards. In 2007, at the Summit of International Business Council, the factory was awarded with the prestigious award Star of Commonwealth as the best company in the CIS. The products of Kremenchuk Wheel Plant are well known both on domestic and international markets and are supplied to more than 20 countries of the world: Russia, Belarus, Hungary, Bulgaria, France, Denmark, Netherlands, Australia, Germany, Egypt, Poland, Pakistan and many others. The products are delivered by automobile, railway and marine transport. We do not stand still. Time requires new vehicles and new wheels, and we aim to satisfy our customers.